So this is the Chronos. It's a binocular refraction device. It includes basically autorefraction, keratometry, and it also does subjective testing, and it has a test chart built in. So it's effectively 4 products in one. But as you can see, it's very space saving. And it allows you to delegate the refraction as well, because it has a guided interface as well as the standard refraction interface. One of the problems that many doctors have is staff turnover and not being able to get hold of staff that can refract, and the speed of refraction causing a blockage in workflow. And this device can really help on that front, because you can delegate refraction to someone with little or no experience of refraction with the guided interface, and the majority of patients can be tested on that. And then should you need to go into a more specialized, more customized refraction, you can either use the standard interface, also controlled from the tablet, or you can export the data to the doctor's room, and they can also do some additional testing there. Well, I've already mentioned the delegation, which is really key to clinic workflow and testing patients in good time. But also it has binocular testing all the way through. So it's not just binocular autorefraction and keratometry, but the subjective refraction is done under binocular conditions as well. And around 40% of patients have a difference between their binocular and monocular refraction, and can be quite uncomfortable if you give them a prescription based on their monocular refraction. And when that comes to surgery, that's really key to get that right. So doing the whole test under binocular conditions all the way through is important, and also saves you time, because you don't have to do that additional binocular balancing at the end.